Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address Chitin Chivir of Home Ministers of States on Friday at around 10:30 a.m. via video conferencing. Newly elected President of Congress Mallikarjun Kharge will take charge of the post in New Delhi today. Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan said that India stands ready to support Africa on its developmental priorities and is committed to its partnership with Africa in its journey towards the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals and Africa's Agenda 2063. In Himachal Pradesh, 376 candidates filed their nomination yesterday, the last day for filing nomination for assembly elections. In the T20 World Cup, the match between England and Ireland is underway at the Melbourne Cricket Ground.